Hello, welcome to my channel. If you're new, if you're returning, welcome back. It's great to have you guys here. Today I'm going to be planning in my hourly planner. It has been a while, guys. I have not been filming a whole lot this summer. It has been difficult to find the time, and so I'm getting back into a good routine of getting in my planner, filming, things like that. My girls are going back to school, hence why I'm using this back to school kit. If you guys don't know, I do have a planner sticker shop now. This is the back to school kit in the hourly format that I have. I have hourly, I have vertical, and I have A5 daily duo kits currently, plus some icons and scripts and things like that. So I'm going to flip and we will get started. Okay, so like I said, these are in my shop. You can buy this hourly kit for $7 for the 2 sheets. I figure that having the 2-page kits, I don't really think that many people would want to purchase these pages separately, so I just put them as buying them together on the website. I am so ready for these kids to go back to school, guys. Like, I am struggling with them at home. I don't know why. This has just been difficult this summer with so much going on, and this was my first summer having kids home while having a YouTube channel, while starting a business. It was just rough, and I'm just ready to get back into it. So with my kit, you get the date covers at the top in strips. You get a thicker bottom washi, which fits great right here in this bottom area if you don't use this area, or if you just want to use it for some decoration. It is perfect to fit down there. You also get these thinner strips of washi here, which you could use for time blocking or whatever you wanted to use those for. You get all of your sidebar items. On this sheet you have a full box, which is what I'm going to put in the sidebar. And it is just, I kind of wanted with my kits to have them be just enough stickers to like use, but I didn't want like a bunch of extras. So I have like a sheet of boxes, which is what I use a lot, but 2 sheets for this is actually pretty good. And then you have your checklist. So for my sidebar, I'm going to put the full box, and I think I'm going to do the habit trackers. And I don't think I'm actually going to use the, if I can get that straight, I don't think I'm going to use the weekly tracker because I just don't think I'll get into it this week. So I'm going to keep that and save it. There's a weekend banner, which I am definitely going to put because after this first week of school, I am going to be struggling. I already know it. The first week back is always like just rough because, you know, the kids aren't into a good routine yet. Anybody else super excited for their kids to go back? Because I am so excited. I think I've said that like 4 times already, but that's okay. We have like a busy week going on here with soccer starting back up, which is of course a lot of fun. I think in the sidebar I'm actually just going to put a to-do list. So I'm going to take this yellow mild liner, and right here I'm just going to do a line. Wow, that's not straight. Guess maybe I'll do a couple lines there because that was awful. So I'm just going to do that, and then honestly this is just going to be a to-do list for me, so I'm just going to write to-do list, and then I'm just going to put some asterisks kind of for a running to-do list. Who knows what's going to go on? I just like having the extra space to do or put whatever I need. So sidebar is easy peasy done. So I'm going to do my trusty method for my dinners, and I'm going to block off the 5 p.m.-ish hour for meals because that is our ideal time to eat dinner. Let's see. I think I'm just going to do this little narrow strip, like a half-hour section for dinner, because we're going to have soccer practice at night, so that should be fun. We're going to have to fit dinner in. Some nights we might actually eat a little bit later. We'll have to see. There we go. Honestly, I'm not like super picky this week just because it's me getting back into my planner, which is awesome. I don't even think I'm going to use these checklists this week. let's see. So I do want to use these quarter boxes. Of course, I got something on one of them. So we have soccer practice on Monday and Wednesday nights. We have Monday nights at 5:45, so I'll put it right there. And then let's do Wednesdays. What time is practice? Oh, practice is like at 5:30. So we're gonna butt it up right against there. Like that. Alrighty. And then we have soccer games on Friday and Saturday. It's easy just to kind of get these down first. I think I'm going to use these appointment label ones. So we have Friday night at 6. And then we have Saturday at 12:30, which are soccer games. Okay, those are down. I actually think I'm going to use these icons that are going to be in my shop as well. These are actually going up as a new release pretty soon here. These are actually not live in the shop yet, but by the time this video goes live, I think they probably will be in the shop. So be on the lookout for these. And I gave myself an oop sheet one because, I mean, why not use the oop sheets? I don't really care because it's my planner in my shop. So the ones that are a little miscut, I throw in a pile and I keep for myself. So soccer. Okay, first day of school. That's a big one. So this year I think we're going to use a big one. So this year I have an incoming kindergartner and I also have a 3rd grader. So very exciting over here in our household. Monday, we also have like a meet the teacher event. I'm thinking I'm going to use, I don't know what color, this one. We have a meet the teacher event for my kindergartner. She actually doesn't go to school this day. They just have this meet the teacher and then their first full day is Tuesday. So I'm going to delve into this pen case. This is the Erin Condren Star Wars pen case, and I'm going to get out these new markers that I got. So I picked these up. These are like these dot markers, and I am so excited to use them. I think I'll probably use the blue and yellow this week, but I really want to try them out. They are going to be used for like making lists for me. I'm going to take these really skinny ones and use them kind of as like headers for my to-do list. So we're going to do it right about here. So with my kids going back to school, that means I have time to myself to really focus on like what I want to do. So like getting healthy and my shop and just spending time on things that, I don't know, focusing on myself more, right? Because when your kids are home all summer, your attention really goes to them, which is fine, but I really want to take some time for myself. So I'm going to start this week getting into a good routine of setting my schedule up and just getting it done. So these are going to be, I'll show you, I'm just going to write tasks. I guess that's the easiest way, or the easiest word. Things that I want to get done, and I'm going to take, let's see, maybe this blue. I kind of want to see what this looks like first. I mean, obviously that's going to show up a little bit better. Okay, I like that blue. So I'm just going to take this, and I'm going to do a dot for my to-do list. That's not super straight, but that's fine. And I'm going to alternate, I think. I'm going to do, oh yeah, I love those. And the yellow is super vibrant. And yeah, I think I'm just going to alternate blue and yellow. And you can do a bigger dot or a smaller dot depending on how much you push down. Maybe I'll make them a little bit smaller so they fit in here a little bit better. There we go. And that's going to be kind of my task area for things that I want to get done, whether it be for work, health, things like that. Another thing I'm excited for is to get back into the gym. I'm so excited to get back into the gym. I didn't have anybody to watch my kids during the summer. So if I wanted to go to the gym, I guess could I have made it work? Probably, but it was a lot more difficult to do, so I just kind of gave up on it over the summer, which is so bad, I know. But this week I have a Y membership. I'm going to get back into it. These are also available in my shop. These are workout scripts. And then another thing that I want to put in here is my pickup drop-off. So this year, again, we are going to be picking up and dropping off. Masks are still required on the buses, and my girls have quite a long bus ride if they choose to ride the bus. So instead we are just doing pickup drop off this year again. For us, masks are required again in school, at least for the first part. It has been a huge bone of contention around here with people on both sides protesting and going to the board meetings for the school, and it has been a little wild and crazy, but they did finally make the decision. So are my girls happy? No, but they're gonna have to deal because that's what the school has said. They also said that, you know, when the vaccine becomes available for the elementary school kids, 6 weeks after that, the mask mandate will go away. So we have that to look forward to. Hopefully only masks till about Christmas time. A couple other things I'm going to add in here. I have my AM and PM routine scripts. This is actually what I'm going to track in my habits this week because my routines have been not good lately. Just not good. And I really want to do a better job of like getting up on time, making sure that I put makeup on because it makes me feel good, things like that. And it's just something I really want to focus on. So those are going to be in my habits this week. And then, let's see. So on Saturday, I'm going to use another one of these thin boxes, probably this blue one. We do our Sunday reset on Sunday. And I'm going to put it over here. When school goes back, this is like our time to really reset for the upcoming week, get lunches around, figure out when we're buying, when we're taking, getting backpacks around, really trying to figure out what our schedule is going to look like, what we have going on, what we need to prep for. So it's just kind of a time for us to get things around. I'm going to pull in a laundry script because laundry is twice a week usually. Let's see, it'll probably get done, honestly, it'll probably get done on Friday, would be my guess. And then what else do I need? I need my grocery shopping. I love this script. It is like this 2-font script. It is just so fun. Grocery shopping gets done Sunday morning. And so I'm going to put that guy. And then I also have a little icon. I don't know. I'm feeling doubly cool. So we'll put the grocery shopping icon. Saturday morning, I weigh in. So which box should I do? I'm thinking this blue one? No, I need a yellow one. We'll do yellow. I weigh in Saturday morning. This is going to be my first week weighing back in. We shall see how it goes. I have a scale icon. There we go. I'm nervous about this because I have not been tracking my weight. I have not been doing well. And it has been rough. I guarantee you I have gained all the weight back that I worked so hard for, and it is so hard. If anybody else struggles with weight, it's not fun, and it's discouraging, but the only thing I can do really is just to jump back on it and get going. In all reality, I'm going to do my meal planning Saturday night. That way I know when I'm going to be getting grocery shopping Sunday. And then planning is going to be Sunday nights because that's the time that I have for it. I mean, honestly, it's usually when I plan, so that's fine. So going back to the kit, these are all the icons I have. What do I want to use? So trash, is Wednesday. So put that guy up there. I could have used this grocery shopping cart, I just didn't. This is a laundry icon, so I can put that with the laundry. Let's see what else. I have a computer, I have workout, I have errands, some cleaning. Ooh, coffee. I will probably start off my Monday morning with Starbucks, to be completely honest, because pumpkin spice is back, and as basic as it sounds, I love a pumpkin spice latte, so gonna have to get it. I know a lot of people don't like it, but I actually do like it. Oh, I guess I could have put the morning fuel icon. I wonder if I can put that over the top and have it like cover it. Let's see. Does it work? Oh, so close. You know what? I can probably white it out. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pull this up and I'm gonna white it out so I can use my morning fuel. So when I made my kits, I really didn't want to put like coffee run or something like that. I wanted something different for like people that drink tea or things like that. I gotta do a little bit more. So I came up, I like put a poll on my Instagram, and somebody gave me the idea of morning fuel, which I really like. This could be your tea, this could be coffee, this could be an energy drink, this could be whatever works for you. But I thought that was really fun. If I can put it straight, good. There we go. Goodness gracious. Okay, what else do I want to use? I don't think I'm going to use these this week, the little utensils, because it's going to hit this soccer ball right there, so I just don't think I'm going to. These little flags. Oh, I didn't even think about it, but Monday is a half day. So I'm going to have to put a sticker to cover this up, because maybe I can always white it out. Let's see. Does that look weird? I don't think it does. So we'll use this red one because I got to pick up early. It's a little too far down, but we'll put it right there. Pickup is a half. We'll just do a half-day pickup. Good thing I remembered that, because I'll be leaving my third grader at school. Okay. I don't think I'm going to use any of the other ones. I also have these arrows for time blocking, but I don't think I have a whole lot that I really want to time block, where it's going to take a long time. Nope, I don't think so. Okay, so this is kind of how it's starting. What else do I need to fill in? Okay, let me fill in all of our practices and I'll be right back. Alright, so I filled everything in. This is what I'm starting out with this week. So Monday looks pretty busy. The rest of the week is kind of sort of busy, but I really like how it's laid out. This will fill in a ton. This is what I have left from the kit. I used quite a bit of stickers. I still have some thin washi that I could use, maybe to like cut your day in half if you need to. I have the sidebar tracker, some icons, some flags, some scripts. I used a lot of the boxes, most of the smaller boxes. I didn't use any of the checklists just because I wanted to use these dot markers and see how I like them. But all in all, this is what I wanted to do when I made my kits. I really wanted kits that you used all the stickers, or almost all the stickers, and you didn't really need to pull in. You need to pull in maybe some if you want to, but you don't need all the extra full boxes and things like that. It was just kind of a minimal sticker kit for an hourly planner. So back to school this week, guys. I am back into YouTube. I will be here 2 to 3 times a week uploading videos. Let me know what you would like to see. If there's something specifically that you would like to see, I will drop in the description below a link to my shop, a link to the stickers that I used in here, a link to the planner if you're interested in that. Just any link that you're interested in will be in the description below. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!